Hi there, I'm Sarah. Welcome to this Orgie Company video. If you are vegan or simply prioritize consuming organic products, Orgie Bio is made for you. These products are NCS Vegan and NC Natural Cosmetic Standard certified by Eco-Control, meaning that when you use Orgie Bio, you can be sure that our products comply with the rigorous certification criteria. Orgie Bio products give you the option of 2 body oils and 2 intimate gels, all formulated with organic ingredients, cultivated and extracted sustainably, and free of chemical elements. First up, the oils. Orgie Sensual Massage Body Oil Grapefruit, made with sunflower and sweet almond oils, both excellent for their moisturizing and antioxidant properties, and a pleasant mild grapefruit fragrance. Orgie Biosensual Massage Oil Rosemary, made with sunflower, sweet almond and rosemary oils. These oils combined contains antioxidant, soothing and moisturizing properties for your skin and deliver an energizing effect to your senses. For these Orgie Bio body oils, apply just a generous amount on the intended area. Use your hands or your own body to perform the massage and reapply as you wish. Moving on to the intimate gels. Orgie Bio Intimate Gel Chamomile. It's a water-based formula and contains chamomile flower extract. Given the well-known beneficial skin properties of chamomile, such as antifungal, antibacterial, and soothing, added to the comfort and long-lasting effects delivered by this product. At last, but not least, Orgie Bio Intimate Gel Aloe Vera. It is widely known that aloe vera has powerful moisturizing, healing, and toning properties. This water-based intimate gel contains Aloe barbadensis leaf juice, so you get all its beneficial properties while you enjoy the comfort and long-lasting effects of this product. Note that Orgie Bio Intimate Gels are non-sticky, easy to clean and wash out. Apply a generous amount on the intended area and reapply as it feels good for you. Orgie Bio allies pleasure, environment respect, and ecological awareness. Thanks for watching us. Goodbye and dare yourself.